are going to introduce the experiment L03, electrical characteristics of a high-frequency fluorescent lamp. Now let's see the procedures. There are 5 steps listed here. The first one is draw the lamp circuit. Now let's see the setup of the experiment. When we want to draw it, we first know the parameters of the lamp. Let's see that. And there are 4 inputs and 4 outputs. For the 4 inputs, there are voltage, current, input DC voltage, and if you want to draw the lamp circuit, you must draw the inputs, outputs with the parameters of the lamp. Now let's see the second one. You switch on the lamp circuit to 2 to 0 voltage. I've done that. You can see the setup of the experiment. And during this time, about 10 minutes, we would like to make the light level to achieve the maximum. Let's say that it's about 900 lux. When the full light output is reached, we need to measure some data. That's the third step. Now let's see which data we would like to measure. We can see there are input, output power, input current, lamp current, frequency, and light output. Now let's see how to measure that. Here we have equipment to help us to measure it. Now let's see the first one, input power. We just need to click the input button, and the input power is P, is about 20 watt. Next is the output power. Output power, we need to click the output button. Here you can see the power output is 15 watt. And the third one is input current. The input current, we need to click the input button and find this one, ARMS. This is the input current. The next one is the lamp current. For the lamp current, we need to click the output button, and this one we can see the ALRMS is the lamp current. Next is the frequency. For the frequency, we need to click the button. No, not this. That means the output is about 50k hertz. Alright. Next is the light output. Now this output is 100% output. We can see the value shown here, about 900 to 89203. Okay, we need to measure this data and record them in a table. Next, we are going to record the waveform of the input current and the input voltage. So how to know that? Let's see the equipment. We need to click the input button, this one, with red line representing current and yellow line representing voltage. Next, we are going to see the fifth step. Fifth step is reduce the light output. Okay, now we know the maximum of the net output. We just use this value, multiply 30%, 50%, 40%, and 30%, and then repeat the steps 3 and 4. Okay. Oh, in meanwhile, another parameter I found in the formal report is harmonic distortion. This one is ATHD. We can find it here. This one ATHD. We also need to record this data here.